Take a look at the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, 8 speakers, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.